Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation 9 to the power of 4 to the power of x is equal to 4 to the power of 9 to the power of x. So, to solve this, I'm going to start by taking the log on both sides. So I get log 9 to the power of 4 to the power of x is equal to log of 4 to the power of 9 to the power of x. And from here, if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, I can move this exponent b to the front, so this turns into b times log a. In this case, I have log 9 to the power of 4 to the power of x, and we can just think of 4 to the power of x as b. So I can move 4 to the power of x to the front, and in my right hand side I can move 9 to the power of x to the front. So I get 4 to the power of x times log 9 is equal to 9 to the power of x times log 4. Now from here, I'm going to divide both sides by log 9. So these two cancel out, and I get 4 to the power of x is equal to 9 to the power of x times log 4 over log 9. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 9 to the power of x. So these two cancel out, and I get 4 to the power of x over 9 to the power of x is equal to log 4 over log 9. Now log 4 is the same thing as log of 2 squared, and log 9 is the same thing as log of 3 squared. So I can move 2 to the front on both, and I get 2 times log 2 over 2 times log 3. So now I'm going to divide both sides by log 2, and I get 4 to the power of x over 9 to the power of x is equal to log 2 over log 3. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m over b to the power of m, this is equal to a over b to the power of m. So I get 4 over 9 to the power of m is equal to log 2 over log 3. And now I'm going to write 4 as 2 squared and 9 as 3 squared. So I can rewrite this as 2 over 3 to the power of 2m, or I should say x, sorry, is equal to log 2 over log 3. Now I'm going to take the log on both sides again, so I get log of 2 over 3 to the power of 2x is equal to log of 2 over log of 3. So now I can move the 2x to the front, and I can divide both sides by log 2 over 3. So I get log of 2 over log of 3 over log of 2 over 3. And if I divide both sides by 2, I get x is equal to log of 2 over log of 3 over 2 times log of 2 over 3. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation x to the power of 4 is equal to 1. So to solve this, I'm going to first start by subtracting both sides by 1. So I get x to the power of 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now I can rewrite x to the power of 4 as x to the power of 2 to the power of 2, and 1 as just 1 squared. 1 squared is the same thing as 1. So now if I have something in the form a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So I get x squared plus 1 times x squared minus 1 is equal to 0. And this gives me two equations. I get x squared plus 1 is equal to 0, and x squared minus 1 equals 0. So for my left-hand side, I can subtract both sides by 1, and I get x squared is equal to negative 1. And if I take the square root on both sides, I get x is equal to positive or negative I. I is the square root of negative 1. Now for my right hand side, I'm going to add both sides by 1, and I get x squared is equal to 1. If I take the square root on both sides, I get x is equal to positive or negative 1. So these are my 4 solutions to this equation. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation 49 to the power of x is equal to x to the power of 14. So to solve this, I'm going to first start by taking the power of 1 over x on both sides. So I get 49 to the power of 1 over x is equal to x to the power of 14 to the power of 1 over x. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So, by the way, this is 49 to the power of x to the power of 1 over x. So these two cancel out because x times 1 over x is just 1. So I get 49 is equal to x to the power of 14 to the power of x. Sorry, 1 over x. Now I'm going to take the power of 1 over 14 on both sides. So now, these two are going to cancel out, and I'm left with 49 to the power of 1 over 14 is equal to x to the power of 1 over x. And 49 I can rewrite as 7 squared. Now again, these two can multiply. So I get 7 to the power of 2 over 14 is equal to x to the power of 1 over x. And 2 over 14 is equal to 1 over 7. So I get 7 to the power of 1 over 7 is equal to x to the power of 1 over x. And notice how this is in the form number to the power of 1 over that same number is equal to x to the power of 1 over x, meaning x is that number, which is 7. And to check, I have 49 to the power of x is equal to x to the power of 14. So I have 49 to the power of 7 is equal to 7 to the power of 14. 49 is 7 squared, so I get 7 squared to the power of 7 is equal to 7 to the power of 14. And remember, these two multiply, and 2 times 7 is 14. So I get 7 to the power of 14 is equal to 7 to the power of 14. And because this is right, I know my solution is right. So please make sure to subscribe and leave a like. Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of 8 minus 121 equals 0. So what we're first going to do is we're going to add 121 on both sides to isolate x. We want to isolate x, so we're going to get rid of the negative 121 on this side. So these two cancel out because 121 minus 121 is 0, so we're left with x to the power of 8 equals 0 plus 121 is simply 121. Now what we're going to do is recall a property of exponents. If we have a to the power of b to the power of c, this is equal to a to the power of b times c. So what we're going to do is we're going to change our x to the power of 8 here so that it is in this form, a to the power of b to the power of c. So we're actually going to change this to x to the power of 4 to the power of 2. because 4 times 2 is 8, and that's x to the power of 8. And this is equal to 121. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the square root of both sides. So now the square root of this, well, these two just simply cancel because these two are opposites. So on this side, our left side, we have x to the power of 4. And on our right side, we have positive and negative 11. Remember, it's positive and negative, not just positive. So now we have x to the power of 4 equals positive and negative 11. Now we're going to take the fourth root on both sides. So by doing that, these two would cancel out. So we are left with x equals the fourth root of positive negative 11. So this is our answer.